Hi, my name is Amar. In this video, I will discuss about reorderable list view in Flutter using GetX. Here, I have created the project reorderable list view Flutter GetX by using the GetCLI tool. And after creating the project, this project structure has been created. Okay. Now, I will move to the home controller, and in the home controller, I will start writing code. Here, what I will do, I will create a list of a string. Okay, and let me give its name as myfab equals to, here I will initialize it with some string values. Let it be Java, Flutter, Laravel, Android, React.js, and one more, that is Vue.js. Okay, and I will make it observable with the help of .obs. Okay, now after creating this list of string in home controller, I will move to the home view file. In the home view file, you can see it is extending get view, which is taking the home controller type. In the scaffold in the app bar, I have given the title as reorderable list view, which you can see in the output here. Now in the body, I have taken a center widget, and in the center as a child, I have taken a text widget where I have displayed this reorderable list view, which has been displayed here. Okay. Now here, I will change it. Now instead of the center widget, here I will use the OBX widget, right? Now in the OBX widget, here I will use reorderable list view. Okay. Now in this reorderable list view, there is a parameter which is on reorder. Now this function will be called whenever the user tries to reorder the list view. Okay, and it will take the parameters as old index and new index, right? Now what will happen when the user reorder the list view, that code we will write here. Okay, and now as a children of this reorderable list view, here I will write controller dot myfab, the list of string which I have created in the controller. On that list, I will use the map function. Okay, now in this map function, here let me put a enter. Now here I will use a container widget, right? Now in this container widget, I will use a margin, and I will use the margin like edge insets dot only. From the left hand side, I will use a margin of 16. From right, I will use a margin of 16, and from top, I will use a margin of, let's say, 8. Okay. After that, for this container, I will use padding, and I will give the padding from all sides, right? And the padding value, let me specify it as, let it be 16, right? After that, here I will use key. This key attribute is mandatory for all the children of reorderable list view. The key attribute is mandatory. So here I will use value key, and in the value key I will specify the value of e. Okay, so all the values which is traversed from this list, that will be the value key for this particular container, right? After that, here I will use decoration. In the decoration, I will use box decoration. Now in the box decoration, I will use border radius, and I will use border radius dot all, and here I will write radius dot circular, and I will specify the radius as 8, right? And after that I will specify the color here, and the color will be colors dot, let it be light blue, right? And let me put a comma here. Okay, now for this container, the container which I have used here, for this particular container I will use a child, and in the child I will use a text attribute. In the text, here I will specify the value of E. This means the value from this particular list will be displayed as a text. Okay, and for this text I will specify a text style. Okay, in the text style I will specify the font size as 18 and the color I will specify as colors dot let it be white. Okay, and after that here I will use the toList method, and here I need to remove this square bracket. Okay, now up to this, if I save this, then you will see the corresponding output here. Let it run. Yes, now you can see Java, Flutter, Laravel, Android, React.js and Vue.js, all the values which I have written inside this list of string that has been displayed inside the container. Okay, now I will make it reorderable, and to do that here I need to write the code. So in this on reorder, here I will write controller dot reorder, and I will pass the old index and I will pass the new index. Okay, now I need to create this function. So this function I need to create where? In the home controller. So let me move to the home controller, and in the home controller here I will create the function. Okay, so it will be void reorder, and here it will be old index, new index. As you can see here, now the error should go. It's generating error, new index, sorry, D is missing, new index. Okay, so the error is gone from the home view. Now let me move to the home controller. Here I will write the code. So here I will check if new index is greater than old index, then the value of new index will be equals to -1. After that here I will write final items equals to myfab. Myfab is nothing but the list which I have created above, dot remove at, and here I will pass old index, right? After that here I will write myfab dot insert, sorry, it will be insert, and here I will write new index, and after that here I will write the items. Okay, that's it. Now let me again run this. Now let me try to reorder this. Now you can see I am able to reorder the list. So this is how we can create a reorderable list view in Flutter using getX. I hope you have liked my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.